Here's a strategy running on TradingView that made over 3,600% profit in backtesting. It's called the swing trend strategy, and it was tested on the 6-hour Bitcoin chart. If you check the performance tab, you'll see that simply holding Bitcoin during the same period would have returned about 700%. So, with over 3,600% in returns, this strategy appears to significantly outperform the market. If you want to see backtest results like this, it's really simple. Just add this strategy to your chart from the Indicators section, then open the Strategy Tester tab at the bottom. You'll see detailed stats like maximum drawdown, profit factor, and total number of trades. And on this chart, the green line shows the performance of the strategy, while the blue line shows the results of a basic buy and hold approach. It gives you a clear visual of how well the strategy has performed over time. Now, before relying on any strategy, it's important to check for issues like repainting or look-ahead bias. Repainting means the strategy changes past signals based on future data, making it look more accurate than it really is. Look-ahead bias is when the strategy uses future data, like the candle close, before that data is actually available, which wouldn't be possible in real trading. Both can make backtest results misleading. To check for these issues, you can simply copy the strategy's source code and ask ChatGPT to review it. I've already done that for this strategy, and we're confident it doesn't suffer from either issue. But how can we know if it actually works in real market conditions? That's where demo trading comes in. You can take any TradingView indicator, strategy, or custom Pine script and automate it in demo mode first, using paper trading or virtual funds. This allows you to see how it performs in real time without risking any real money. Once you're confident in the results, you can switch to live mode and let the same automation run your strategy on multiple trading pairs around the clock. Let me show you how it works. This setup allows us to turn TradingView alerts into automated trades. The idea is simple. TradingView generates buy and sell signals based on indicators or Pine script strategies. These signals are sent to our bot, which executes the trades automatically. When the bot runs in demo mode, it provides detailed reports to help you evaluate its performance before going live. You'll get a closed positions report that summarizes all executed trades, including wins, losses, win rate, and overall profit or loss. There's also a daily profit and loss report, which shows your day-by-day results. With this complete reporting system, you can safely test and improve your strategy using virtual funds. And once you're confident it works, you can switch the bot to live mode and let it trade with real money, fully automated. First, we need to create our bot so it can listen for signals from TradingView and execute trades using virtual money. Once the bot is ready, I'll show you how to configure TradingView to send signals to our bot for any indicator or strategy. Okay, let's get started. From the left-hand menu, we need to create a TradingView signal bot. This setup takes just 3 simple steps. First, choose the exchange and trading pair. For this example, we'll use Binance and Bitcoin. Make sure to select the correct exchange because all simulated trades will use live price data from that exchange. Now, let's move on to the next step. Here, we define how much to invest per position. You can go with a fixed amount, like 100 USDT per trade, or make it dynamic based on your wallet balance. For instance, if you have 500 USDT in your spot wallet and set the allocation to 10%, each trade will automatically use 50 USDT. As your balance grows, your position size increases too, helping you compound profits over time without manual adjustments. This is also where we configure the risk management settings. While the buy and sell signals come from TradingView, we can define take profit and stop loss levels to ensure the bot follows them. This helps protect your capital and gives you greater control over your automated trades. In this example, we'll set both the take profit and stop loss to 10%. However, if you prefer your strategy to follow TradingView exactly, you can skip this section and let the TradingView strategy handle risk management on its own. In the final step, we need to give our bot a name. It's best to choose something that makes it easy to identify later when reviewing performance. For this setup, I'll name it Swing Trend, since we'll be using that strategy. Next, we choose whether to run the bot in live mode, where it uses real funds from our exchange account, or in demo mode, where it simulates trades using virtual money. Since we're still testing this strategy, I'll select demo mode. Later in the video, I'll show how to connect the bot to an exchange for live trading. We also set the bot's status as active upon creation. You can also enable Telegram notifications, which allows the bot to send real-time updates to your Telegram account. Finally, click Save, and the Signal bot will be up and running. As you can see, it has now generated 3 key elements: a buy signal, a sell signal, and a webhook URL. The webhook URL is what connects TradingView to our bot. Now that everything is ready, let's switch over to TradingView and complete the setup. Start by adding the swing trend strategy to your TradingView chart. The goal here is simple. We want to send an alert to our trading bot whenever this strategy generates a new signal, whether it's to open a long position or to close it. To automate this strategy, we'll use a single TradingView alert. This alert will trigger the bot as soon as the strategy conditions are met, whether for entry or exit. Before creating the alert, make sure you've selected the correct trading pair and time frame. In this example, I'm using the Bitcoin chart on the 6-hour time frame. This ensures the bot only responds to signals that match these exact conditions. Now let's create the alert. Click on Alert in the top bar. In the alert creation window, set the condition to Swing Trend Strategy. For the expiration, choose a date that defines how long the alert should remain active. In the message section, use the buy signal format provided by your trading bot. But since this strategy doesn't allow separate alerts for buy and sell signals, we need to make a small adjustment. Copy the message from your bot and paste it into the message field. Then, replace the action value with a built-in TradingView placeholder. This allows TradingView to automatically insert the correct action: buy when opening a position and sell when closing it. Next, we need TradingView to deliver this alert to our trading bot using a webhook. Click on the Notifications tab, enable the webhook URL option, and paste the webhook URL provided by the bot. If you don't see this option, you're likely using a free TradingView account. Webhook alerts are only available with a paid plan, so you may need to upgrade. Finally, click Create. Your alert is now fully configured. From now on, TradingView will automatically send signals to your bot, which will handle the trade execution. Now, let's head back to CryptoTailor and take a look at our running signal bots. As you can see, the bot is currently active in demo mode and standing by, ready to receive a buy signal from TradingView. Once it receives the signal, it will automatically open a position based on the capital allocation settings we defined earlier. You'll be able to see the live trade under the Open Positions section, where all trade activity is updated in real time. While the position is open, the bot continuously monitors the market. It will automatically close the trade based on the take profit or stop loss levels you set, ensuring every trade is fully managed without any manual intervention, whether to lock in profits or limit losses. As trades close, you can evaluate the strategy's performance by checking the Closed Positions tab. Here, you'll find stats like the total number of trades, win-loss count, win rate, and overall profit or loss. For deeper insights, the Reports section and Daily PnL summary give you a full breakdown of your strategy's performance over time, helping you spot trends, fine-tune your settings, and make smarter decisions moving forward. Now that you've seen how to automate this strategy in demo mode, let's go over how to switch the bot to live mode and connect it to your exchange so it can trade with real money. Start by heading to the Exchanges menu and linking your preferred exchange account. This is done using API keys, a secure method that allows the bot to place trades on your behalf without accessing your funds directly. All major platforms, including Binance and OKX, support API key integration for seamless connectivity. When generating your API keys, be sure to set the permissions to trade only. This allows the bot to buy and sell, but blocks withdrawals, adding an extra layer of security. You'll also find a step-by-step guide for each exchange to help you generate and connect your API keys correctly. Once your exchange is connected, switching to live trading is easy. Just change the bot mode from demo to live. From that point on, the bot will use real funds to execute trades directly on your exchange account. Now, when TradingView sends a signal, the bot instantly places a live order using your connected API. Just like in demo mode, it will manage the trade automatically, handling take profit and stop loss levels based on your original settings. If either target is hit, the bot will close the position for you. Before we wrap up, I highly recommend watching our other video on how to create a trading bot that automatically opens long positions after market crashes. It's a powerful strategy. Don't miss it. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to submit a support ticket. Our team is here to help. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on algorithmic trading and automation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.